Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to read our English reader poem, Tiger Shadows. So, in this poem, the poet Brian Patton is describing an imagination situation in which he is thinking that if he were a tiger, then what things he would have done. See the poem, what they are telling us. I wish I was a tiger in the Indian jungle. So here the poet is just imagining that if he were a tiger and in the forest area, the jungle would be my teacher. So there nobody else or no human being would have been there. Only the jungle will be teaching the as a teacher to him. No school and the night sky a blackboard smuggled with stars. So in the jungle, in the forest, there will be no school, but the night sky, the sky with the stars itself will be appearing like a blackboard. As the jungle is the teacher, so the sky will be the blackboard. I wish I was a tiger in the Indian jungle. So again the repeated line that he is wishing to be a tiger. Kitten curious, I would pad about on paws big as frying pans. So here he's pad about means walked quietly and softly. So he said that as a kitten, as a baby, he would be very curious. He would be very anxious to move around, and with quietly and softly paws, he would be moving here and there, while the monkeys chanted in the trees above me. So he's just imagining that he would be sitting under a tree and monkeys would be chatted here means talking, sitting on the tree making different sounds. I would sniff the damp jungly air. So he's telling that he would be sniffing the damp jungly air, the fresh air which would be coming, he would be breathing in that only. Next, out of exotic flowers, I would make a crown of pollen. So he said that as he would be in the jungle, he would make a crown and would wear. Pollen here means flowers. पराग के फूल जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So he would be making a crown of it, and then he would be wearing on his head. If I were a tiger in the Indian jungle, again the line is repeated, my eyes would glitter among the dark green leaves. So his eyes will be glitter here means shining, will be shining among the dark green leaves, as he would be hiding himself in the green leaves. So his eyes would be shining. My tail would twitch like a snake, and his tail would stretch like a snake. So his tail would be like moving like a snake. So next one, I would discover abundant cities. So many of the cities are not known to us. They are very, what you will say, they are not that familiar. So those cities will be discovered. Those cities will be known to him, where no human feet had trod for centuries. In those cities where no human had trod here means walked, and no human beings had walked into those एरियाज, आई वुड बी लॉर्ड ऑफ अ लॉस्ट सिविलाइजेशन. कहते क्योंकि आपको पता है टाइगर्स दे आर वेरी लेस इन नंबर. सो आई वुड बी लॉर्ड हेयर मीन्स राजा. I would be a king of the lost civilization and leap among the wine covered ruins. और कहता वाइन जो पेड़ की लतें होती हैं, बेल जिसको आप बोलोगे, एंड लीप एमंग द वाइन कवर्ड ruins, जो सब चीज़ें तह नहस हो रखी हैं उन चीज़ों में मैं लीप कर जाऊंगा. आई विश आई वॉज अ टाइगर इन द इंडियन जंगल. एज द इवनिंग फेल, जैसे ही शाम होती, आई वुड हम क्वाइट टाइगर ट्यून्स टू विच द फायर फ्लाइज वुड डांस. कहता मैं जैसे ही शाम होती मैं वैसे ही टाइगर की आवाज़ निकालता जिसके ऊपर, और टाइगर की ट्यून में हम करता, आवाज़ करता और उसकी मेरी उस आवाज़ पर फायर फ्लाइज जो होती वो डांस करती। आई वुड वॉच द रेड बबलिंग सन, कहते और मैं वहाँ से ही रेड बबल होता हुआ जो सन है उसको देखता। इवनिंग है तो वो द सन मस्ट बी सेटिंग डाउन। गो फिशिंग विद इट्स नेट ऑफ शेडो, और ऐसा लग रहा होता जैसे कि सन जो है अपनी शेडो के साथ में फिश को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है। सो वाइल द हंटर्स लुकड फॉर मी, क्योंकि वो छुप के आवाज़ कर रहा होता टाइगर, तो हंटर्स उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश करते। फॉर मी माइल्स एंड माइल्स अवे, बहुत दूर दूर तक मुझे खोजने की कोशिश करते। आई वुड लाई स्ट्रेच्ड आउट इन माई सीक्रेट डेन, और कहता मैं तो अपने चुप जो मेरी जो सीक्रेट जो डेन है, जो गुफा है, मैं उसमें आराम से स्ट्रेच लेटा होता। आई वुड डोज इन द स्ट्रॉबेरी कलर्ड लाइट अंडर द गोल्डन स्ट्रिपी शेडो ऑफ द ट्रीज, कहते मैं आराम कर रहा होता स्ट्रॉबेरी कलर्ड लाइट में, जो कलर स्ट्रॉबेरी कलर की जो लाइट थी, क्योंकि शाम हो रखी थी और ट्रीज़ के नीचे है वो उसकी शेडो में लेटा होता। तो कहता मैं आराम कर रहा होता। आई वुड ड्रीम अ टाइगर्स ड्रीम, और बोलता मैं वहाँ पर लेटकर टाइगर की तरह का ही सपना देख रहा होता। सो होप द पोएम इज़ क्लियर टू यू पीपल. It's an imaginary poem only, where the poet is just thinking that uh, if he was a tiger, if he were a tiger, there were no burden of studies and he would have enjoyed each and every moment in the forest area. Thank you.